Which is better, or does it matter to hold the harmonica and move your head, or keep your head still and move the harmonica?
I think it depends how much gin you've had.
Fair, yes.
According to Little Walter, he'd said after a bottle of gin, which he liked to. I don't know if this is absolutely true, but I think I read that in his autobiography. No, his biography. I think I read that he would have a bottle of gin before he started. Gin might not have been then what it is now, perhaps. Might have been 4% or something. I don't know. Who knows? But he said he didn't like to shake his head when he had a head full of gin. So I think it comes down to being a personal taste.
Okay, there isn't a way to do it. It's just what works for you.
I've heard the hand moving people tell the head moving people that they're crazy, and I've heard the head moving people tell the hand moving people that they're crazy.
Okay.
If you've got a microphone in front of you and you're playing to a static microphone, then you're better to keep the harmonica exactly where it is and move your head. But if you're holding the microphone, or if you're not using a microphone, don't know. Well, let's see what other people do. Let's take a quick straw poll. If you move your head a lot, one finger. If you move your harmonica a lot, use the 2 fingers. Or 3 fingers is everything. So it's mostly 2 fingers. What was 2 fingers again? Which one was 2 fingers? Oh, move the harmonica. Yeah. What would be the difference? What would be the purpose? I don't know. I think probably moving the harmonica is probably what I do more.
Okay.
And that seems to be what most people.
I've got a question.
To do it like this because you can lubricate your lips better.
Yeah, with water, not Guinness.
Yeah.
And if you want to use lip salve or Vaseline, put it on the day before you play, not on the day that you play. And the regulation moustache length is 8 millimeters. That's just for the men. The women can do what they want. David Stocks had a question, and we'll come to you in a second, Jason.
Yeah, how do you tell that you've got the harmonica the right way up? Because presumably, if you're looking from the left to the right, it's going to be different.
Yeah, it's a good question. The right way up is depending on your viewpoint. Sonny Terry, Norton Buffalo, Lee Sankey, William Clark all played the harmonica with what I would consider upside down. So the numbers, for me, the numbers should be on the top. You see the numbers on the top, right? If the numbers are on the top, it's going to be the right way around for me. I normally have the key sticker on the right hand side, so it's clear, I can feel it. I don't really want to pick the harmonica up and go for hole 2 and it sounds like this. Don't really want to do that. But if I do, then there's different ways you can get around it. You could go, oh my God, I've got the harmonica upside down. You could do that. Oh, you could go, oh, what a shock. Or you could do what Sonny Boy Williamson does and goes, that's all right. He got it wrong, so he goes, uh-huh. So that's his way of doing it, uh-huh, and then change. You could turn it into something like it was an act. So you could turn it into a bit of showbiz, showboating. That's if you get it wrong. Your real question was, which way up should it be? For me, not that I'm a piano player, but I see the piano with the low notes on the left and the high notes on the right. So I do the same with the harmonica.
Right.
I want the low notes on the left and the high notes on the right. Now, I'm right-handed, so I hold the harmonica in the left hand. And what this does is it accentuates, amplifies the lower section of the harmonica. This is like a trumpet bell. So it amplifies the low notes, holes 1, 2, 3, and 4, which are the ones that need amplification. The ones at the top, you know, from 5 up, they cut through. They don't really need help. So if I was to hold it in the right hand, the high notes would be too loud. I'd have to play quieter. Or if I had it upside down, the low notes, that would work okay. It sounds weird in my ears. It sounds very strange for me to listen to the harmonica upside down from where I'm playing it from. Isn't that strange? So are you right-handed or left-handed?
Right-handed.
So I recommend you hold the harmonica in the left hand.
Yeah.
With the numbers on top.
Yeah. I've just found the numbers.
Congratulations.
They weren't very obvious.
No, some of them don't have numbers at all.
All right.
I've got a few harmonicas, there's no numbers. One good exercise we can all do is we can try playing the harmonica upside down. See if you can play a tune. Have a go now. Just get muted and have a go. Ah. Ugh. I feel like an absolute total beginner doing that. That's good for me, isn't it? So try it. Have the harmonica upside down and you'll feel like a total absolute beginner. Very good exercise for your few remaining brain cells. Yeah, try it. Give yourself a hard time. It's nice when it stops. That's what the guy said about the shoes. So why do you keep your shoes so tightly laced up? You're in pain, clearly. He said, it's so lovely when I take them off.